Micro Technologies India Limited. Your security is our concern.
Micro Technologies company has launched a new equipment in market named Black Box to keep our jewelry safe. This launching ceremony was recently concluded at Goregaon. Cases of robberies are seen increasing day by day. To control this increasing crime rate, Micro Technologies company has launched a new product named Jewelry Black Box to keep our jewelry safe. Launching of this product was recently concluded at Goregaon. Micro Technologies is the only company to make such product, is said by Micro Technologies.
On behalf of ISMA, I congratulate Micro Technologies introduced for their portable black box. It is indeed a very nice product, and it will take care of safety of all the valuables. And I wish you all the best. It's a very innovative idea, and we wish that this product will definitely fulfill the requirement of the people. Thank you.
We launched the product, and Mr. Milind explained to us how it works, and we said that this product is really going to be of very many use in our industry also. And apart from that, we also suggested to them that they take a branch office in our building ISMA, and we have got 450 galas there. They can represent our association and we can promote this product because we liked it, so obviously it has to be worth in our industry.
This launching of Jewelry Black Box was concluded at Goregaon in fashion and exhibition in the presence of Micro Technologies dignitaries. Giving further information about this equipment, Chief Communication Officer Minil Londe said,
जे काही ज्वेलर्स शॉप्स आहेत किंवा इमिटेशन ज्वेलरी आहेत ते कसं घेणारी लोक जे आहेत ते फक्त एक पर्टिक्युलर जॉग्राफिकल एरियामध्येच बघत असतात की काय ज्वेलरी अवेलेबल आहेत काय नाही आहेत. ही ते कशी आहेत, सुरतवरून काही लोक आलेली होती, काही लोक म्हणजे पॅन इंडिया ॲक्टिव्हिटी होतात तसं बघायला गेलं तर, आणि त्यामध्ये फक्त मायक्रो टेक्नॉलॉजीज हे एकच स्टॉल होतं ज्यामध्ये सिक्युरिटी प्रोडक्ट डिस्प्ले करण्यात आलेले होते. तर आम्हाला त्यापैकी बरेचसे रिस्पॉन्स पॉझिटिव्हली भेटलेले आहेत, कारण हा जो एक्झिबिशन होता दॅट वॉज मोर फोकस टू B2B अँड B2C. तर बिझनेस टू बिझनेस म्हणजे कॉर्पोरेट लेवलला ॲज वेल ॲज रिटेल इंडस्ट्रीला पण फायदेशीर पडेल असं आमचं एक्सपेक्टेशन.
व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट विवेक गायकवाड विथ निलेश बनकर, MVTV.